Welcome to our exploration of the wonders of Pennsylvania. Nestled in the heart of the United States, Pennsylvania is a treasure trove of natural beauty, rich history, and vibrant culture. From the rolling hills of the Appalachian Mountains to the bustling streets of Philadelphia, this state offers a diverse array of experiences that are sure to captivate any traveler. One of the most remarkable aspects of Pennsylvania is its stunning landscapes. The state is home to breathtaking parks like the expansive Pocono Mountains, where outdoor enthusiasts can hike, ski, and enjoy the serene beauty of nature. The lush forests, sparkling lakes, and picturesque waterfalls create a perfect backdrop for adventure and relaxation alike. Additionally, the iconic Pennsylvania Dutch country invites visitors to experience a unique blend of tradition and charm, with its quaint farms and vibrant Amish culture. But Pennsylvania is not just about its natural wonders, it is also steeped in history. The state played a pivotal role in the founding of the United States, with landmarks such as Independence Hall and the Liberty Bell in Philadelphia serving as testaments to its historical significance. Visitors can walk the same streets where the Declaration of Independence was signed, immersing themselves in the stories that shaped a nation. Moreover, the rich heritage of Pennsylvania extends beyond its cities. The Gettysburg National Military Park stands as a solemn reminder of the Civil War, offering a chance to reflect on the sacrifices made for freedom. The charming small towns, like New Hope and Jim Thorpe, are filled with art galleries, theaters, and local shops, showcasing the creative spirit of the region. Join us as we delve deeper into the wonders of Pennsylvania, uncovering the hidden gems and iconic sites that make this state a must-visit destination for adventurers, history buffs, and nature lovers alike. The natural wonders of Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania is a haven for nature lovers, boasting breathtaking landscapes that invite exploration and adventure. Among its most iconic locations are the Pocono Mountains and Ricketts Glen State Park, both of which showcase the state's stunning natural beauty and diverse ecosystems. The Pocono Mountains, often referred to as the Poconos, are a year-round destination for outdoor enthusiasts. With their rolling hills, lush forests, and pristine lakes, the Poconos offer a plethora of activities. In the warmer months, visitors can hike the numerous trails that wind through the mountains, providing stunning views and opportunities to encounter local wildlife. The area is also famous for its fishing spots, where anglers can cast their lines into crystal-clear lakes and rivers teeming with fish. As the seasons change, the Poconos transform into a winter wonderland, attracting skiers and snowboarders to its slopes. Ricketts Glen State Park is another gem in Pennsylvania's natural landscape. Known for its breathtaking waterfalls, the park features a series of 22 cascading falls along the Falls Trail, making it a must-visit for hikers. The vibrant colors of the foliage in autumn create a picturesque setting, while the tranquil sounds of rushing water provide a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Camping in Ricketts Glen allows visitors to immerse themselves in nature, with opportunities for stargazing and enjoying the peaceful surroundings. Preserving these natural wonders is crucial for future generations. As we explore and enjoy the beauty of Pennsylvania, it is our responsibility to protect these landscapes from pollution, overdevelopment, and climate change. By promoting sustainable practices and conservation efforts, we can ensure that the breathtaking beauty of the Pocono Mountains, Ricketts Glen, and other natural treasures remain intact for years to come. Let us cherish and safeguard these wonders, so that future adventurers can experience the magic of Pennsylvania's landscapes just as we do today. Historical landmarks. Pennsylvania is a state steeped in rich history, and its landmarks serve as powerful reminders of the events that shaped the nation. Among the most significant sites are Independence Hall and Gettysburg National Military Park, both of which offer profound insights into America's past. Independence Hall, located in Philadelphia, is perhaps the most iconic symbol of American democracy. It was here that the Second Continental Congress convened in 1775 and where the Declaration of Independence was adopted on July 4, 1776. The building itself is a masterpiece of Georgian architecture, and stepping inside transports visitors back to a pivotal moment in history. As you walk through the halls where founding fathers like Thomas Jefferson and Benjamin Franklin once deliberated, you can almost hear the echoes of their passionate debates about liberty and governance. Independence Hall is not just a building, it represents the ideals of freedom and democracy that continue to resonate today. Another landmark of immense historical significance is Gettysburg National Military Park. This site marks the location of the Battle of Gettysburg, a turning point in the Civil War that took place in July 1863. The battle was one of the bloodiest in American history, resulting in thousands of casualties. Today, the park serves as a solemn tribute to those who fought and died for their beliefs. Visitors can explore the extensive battlefield, view monuments honoring the soldiers, and learn about the strategies that defined this crucial conflict. The Gettysburg Address, delivered by President Abraham Lincoln at the dedication of the Soldiers' National Cemetery, further solidifies the site's importance in American history. As we delve into Pennsylvania's historical landmarks, it is essential to appreciate the cultural heritage they represent. These sites are not merely relics of the past, they are vital connections to our shared history. By visiting and learning about these landmarks, we honor the sacrifices made by those who came before us and ensure that their stories continue to inspire future generations. Unique attractions. Pennsylvania is home to a variety of unique attractions that offer visitors unforgettable experiences. Among these standout destinations are the Philadelphia Museum of Art and Hershey Chocolate World, each providing a distinct glimpse into the state's cultural and culinary offerings. The Philadelphia Museum of Art is not only an architectural marvel but also one of the largest and most renowned art museums in the country. With a collection that spans over 2,000 years, visitors can explore masterpieces from renowned artists such as Van Gogh, Monet, and Duchamp. The museum's iconic steps, famously featured in the Rocky films, invite guests to take a moment to appreciate the stunning views of the city skyline. Special exhibitions frequently rotate, showcasing everything from contemporary art to historical artifacts, ensuring that there is always something new to discover. Additionally, the museum hosts various events, including art classes, lectures, and family-friendly activities, making it a vibrant hub for creativity and culture. On the sweeter side of Pennsylvania, Hershey Chocolate World offers a delightful experience for chocolate lovers of all ages. This interactive attraction allows visitors to immerse themselves in the world of chocolate, from its origins to the production process. Guests can take a free tour that includes a fun ride through a simulated chocolate factory, where they can see how their favorite treats are made. For those looking to indulge, Hershey Chocolate World also features a chocolate tasting experience and the opportunity to create personalized candy bars. Throughout the year, special events such as seasonal celebrations and chocolate-themed festivals add to the excitement, making each visit a unique adventure. Whether you're exploring the artistic treasures of the Philadelphia Museum of Art or indulging your sweet tooth at Hershey Chocolate World, Pennsylvania's unique attractions offer something for everyone. These experiences not only entertain but also enrich visitors' understanding of the state's diverse culture and history, making them must-visit destinations on any Pennsylvania itinerary. Culinary delights. Pennsylvania boasts a diverse culinary scene that reflects its rich cultural heritage and local ingredients. From iconic street foods to world-class breweries and wineries, the state offers a gastronomic adventure that every food lover should experience. One of the most famous culinary delights to come out of Pennsylvania is the Philadelphia cheesesteak. This mouth-watering sandwich, made with thinly sliced beefsteak and melted cheese, is a must-try for anyone visiting the city. Served on a fresh hoagie roll, cheesesteaks can be customized with a variety of toppings, including sautéed onions and peppers. Local establishments like Pat's and Gino's have become legendary for their cheesesteaks, drawing visitors from near and far to taste this iconic dish. Alongside cheesesteaks, Philadelphia is also known for its soft pretzels, which are a beloved snack throughout the city. These warm, salty treats are perfect for munching on while exploring the vibrant streets. Beyond the urban culinary staples, Pennsylvania is home to a thriving craft beer and wine scene. The state has over 400 breweries, many of which offer unique flavors that showcase local ingredients. From hoppy IPAs to rich stouts, beer enthusiasts will find a wide range of options to sample. Additionally, Pennsylvania's wineries produce exceptional wines, particularly in regions like the Lehigh Valley and the Finger Lakes. Visitors can tour vineyards, participate in tastings, and even attend seasonal wine festivals that celebrate the state's viticulture. As you explore Pennsylvania, take the time to immerse yourself in its food culture. Whether you're enjoying a casual meal at a food truck, dining at a farm-to-table restaurant, or sipping craft beer at a local brewery, each experience offers a taste of the state's unique flavors. Pennsylvania's culinary delights are not just about satisfying hunger. They are a celebration of the state's heritage and community, inviting you to savor every bite during your visit. As we wrap up our journey through the wonders of Pennsylvania, it's clear that this state is a treasure trove of beauty and diversity. From the breathtaking natural landscapes of the Pocono Mountains and Ricketts Glen State Park to the rich historical landmarks like Independence Hall and Gettysburg National Military Park, Pennsylvania offers a unique blend of experiences that cater to every type of traveler. The culinary delights, including the iconic cheesesteaks and soft pretzels of Philadelphia, alongside the vibrant craft beer and wine scene, further showcase the state's cultural richness. We encourage you to explore these wonders for yourself. Whether you're hiking through scenic parks, delving into the history of our nation, or savoring the local flavors, Pennsylvania has something special waiting for you. Each visit can reveal new stories and experiences, making it a destination worth returning to time and again. As you embark on your own adventures in Pennsylvania, we invite you to share your experiences with us. Your stories and insights can inspire others to discover the beauty of this remarkable state. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more travel content, please consider subscribing to our channel. By liking and sharing this video, you help us reach more viewers who are eager to explore the world around them. Your support means everything to us and allows us to continue bringing you exciting travel adventures and insights. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Pennsylvania's wonders. We hope to see you on our next journey as we uncover more incredible destinations and experiences. Safe travels, and happy exploring!